54th competitive test. According to the letter, seen by dawn, the GB government will not deploy its police officials for the security of the chief minister and the governor, full stop. The communique drew a strong response from the aide to the CM, who condemned the move and announced that the GB government would not accept the order, full stop. He said the regional government would take the interior ministry to court for issuing such directives, full stop. The advisor called interior minister mentally unstable for attempting to create such tiffs between the units and the federation, full stop. GB is a sensitive area, he played with the sentiments of 2 million people of the region, full stop. New paragraph. While some countries have been spending as much as 26% of their annual budget on education, we have never allocated more than 5% for the uplift of education, full stop. The fifth plan allocation was a mere 3.6%, full stop. Lack of resources has meant lack of school buildings, lack of teachers, and above all, lack of incentive for the pursuit of education, full stop. Nor can we ignore the sociological factor, full stop. There has been a general devaluation of education in the national scheme of things, full stop. Money occupies the pride of place in the current scale of values, full stop. The determinant of status in society is no more learning and scholarship, but the possession of material wealth, full stop. New paragraph. The number of suitable candidates available for these posts is sometimes less than the number required, and little purpose is served by advertising the unfilled post afresh, full stop. In such cases, the commission may not re-advertise the vacancies but may consider any applications from an eligible candidate received after the selection has been completed on its merit, full stop. Such candidate may be interviewed, and found suitable, recommended for appointment against the unfilled posts, full stop. The recruitment should, in no case be kept pending indefinitely, and the unfilled posts should re-advertise after an appropriate interval, which may in no case exceed 12 months, full stop.